Yo, what's up guys, I'm Vishnu Gamlat here, and last week was the Google keynote year 2018. So they released some really cool features like Android P features and advanced Google Maps and some other features on Android. So but the most exciting thing was Google Duplex. So you all might be thinking, what is Google Duplex? Basically Google Duplex is a thing in Google Assistant. So imagine that you don't have time to put an appointment to the salon, and you're really busy and you don't want to call them, and they don't have all the reservation and stuff, and then you say Google, you're like, hey Google, put an appointment tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. and she will call the salon in the background and put a appointment for you. So this is what it looks like.
So how can I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd.
Sure, give me 1 second. Sure, what time are you looking for around?
At 12 p.m.
We do not have a 12 p.m. available. The closest we have to that is a 1:15.
Do you have anything between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m.?
Depending on what service she would like. What service is she looking for?
Just a woman's haircut for now.
Okay, we have a 10 o'clock.
10 a.m. is fine.
Okay, what's her first name?
The first name is Lisa.
Okay, perfect. So I will see Lisa at 10 o'clock on May 3rd.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Great. Have a great day. Bye.
Oh my god, that was really cool. I mean, it makes Siri so bad, and the way it talked to the salon receptionist, it was so natural. I mean, if I was there at the other side, I'll obviously fall for it. I'll think it's a human. And this is another demo on stage, so check this out.
See how may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to...
Pause right there. That which that Google Assistant said, that's like really natural. So maybe Google has programmed it to say that or maybe it's time to taking to process what's it's going to do. So that because of that obviously the people on the other side is going to think that's real. I mean, they put ahs and like all those natural expressions to that Google Duplex. So that's really cool.
See how may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to reserve a table for Wednesday the 7th.
For 7 people?
It's for 4 people.
4 people when?
Next Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Oh, actually we leave here for like after like 5 people. For 4 people you can come.
How long is the wait usually to be seated?
For when, tomorrow or weekday or?
For next Wednesday, the 7th.
Oh no, it's not too busy. You can come for 4 people, okay?
Oh, I gotcha. Thanks.
Yep. Bye bye.
That was a bit complex, and Google just nailed it. I mean, really nailed it. So how does Google Duplex work? It employs the TensorFlow Extended aka TFX learning platform to create a RNN with speech processing duties being handled by ASR, which is known as automatic speech. So that's how Google makes Google Duplex, and it does all the computing and stuff and makes the ums and the pauses and those accents correctly, which makes it so natural, and by that it makes it cool and sounds like a real person. So do you think this is useful? I mean, is it useful for our daily lives? Maybe yes, it is useful. Obviously it's useful. So with busy work which the people has, so Google is making our lives more easier. These are the stuff which should be improved by Google. So imagine that you meet with an accident and the airbags deploy. Because of that, automatically Google calls to 911 and tell that you met with an accident. So that will be pretty cool and be helpful. So And this can be used in a bad way also, like for scammers and all. They can use Google to call somebody and scam and tell that you win a prize. So that's a bad thing, but I think this is a good thing from Google. Okay guys, so let's wrap this up for today. So please hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.